Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2024. Question number 7b is 25 kilogram per minute of air is initially at dBT of 10 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius WBT. It is preheated sensibly to a dBT of 46 degrees Celsius. Passed through a recirculated spray washer followed by reheating sensibly to 35 degrees Celsius dBT and 39% relative humidity. Show the scheme of processes on a skeleton psychrometric chart. Calculate 1 capacity of preheating coil in kilowatt, 2 humidification efficiency, 3 capacity of preheating coil in kilowatt, 4 amount of water vapor added to air per hour. The psychrometric chart is attached. So here from psychrometric chart we'll first locate the point 10 degrees Celsius WT and 5 degrees Celsius WT. So this is the point. This is the point 10 degrees Celsius dBT and 5 degrees Celsius WBT. This is the point. So here uh, heating is performed. It is preheated sensibly to a dBT of 40 degrees Celsius. So heating is performed. So heating is up to 46 degrees Celsius. So and then sprayed washer is and then spray washer is there and then reheating is there. So, so this is your spray washer humidification and this is your sensible heating. So final point is given, that is 35 degrees Celsius and 39% relative humidity. So this is your point. So sensible heating is represented by straight line and humidification is represented by this constant humidity line. So that point is the intersection of this line and this line. Okay. So we can get this type of diagram: 1 2 and 2 3 and 3 4. First we'll draw this line 1 2 and then we'll locate, because 1 point is known, 2 point is known, and then 4 point is known. Then this is your humidification process and this is your sensible heating process. So then we draw a straight line from 4 and this inclined line according to 2 3. Okay. So this is the processes in the on the psychrometric chart. So at various point we can locate the enthalpy and this specific humidity. So at point 1, this is the point 1, the enthalpy is approximately 17.5, and at point 2, the at point 2 and at point 3 the enthalpy is approximately 56, and at point 4 the enthalpy is 72.5. Okay. So and specific humidity at this point is 0.14 1014 and here 0.035. So these are the property at these points. And mass of the air is 25 kg per minute or 25 by 60 kg per second. So these are the property. H1 is 17.5, H2 is 56, and H4 is 72.5, omega 3 or omega 4 same value, that is 0.014, and omega 1 omega 2 0.0035. And capacity of preheating, first question is capacity of preheating. So at this point enthalpy is 17.5, at this point the enthalpy is 56. So capacity comes out 25 by 60 into 56 minus 17.5, that is 15.625 kilowatt. And here the humidity at point 2 humidity 17% and at this humidity 88%. So humidity equation efficiency is increasing humidity, and if we go up to that point, then the humidity will be 100%. So the humidity increase required is 100 minus 17, but it increases up to 88 minus 17. So humidification efficiency 85.45%, and capacity of reheating is this 3 to 4. So 25 by 60, 72.5 minus 56, so that is 7.2916 kilowatt. And water evaporated is mass into specific humidity according to this line and according to this line. M omega 4 minus omega 2, so that comes as 15.75 kg. So answer is, these are the answers.